Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add IDM extension in Opera browser. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Opera browser, and then in the search bar you will have to type IDM extension not showing. After typing this in the search bar, you are going to see these two links from internetdownloadmanager.com. But between these two links, you will have to click on the second one which says Chrome browser integration does not work. Once I've done that, you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see Chrome browser integration and some of the information that you need to keep in mind while downloading Internet Browser Manager. Now over here you just have to scroll down, and here you are going to see this a direct link of the extension if it is not installed automatically. So you will have to click on this link, and then you will be redirected in Chrome Web Store where you are going to see the option of add to Opera. Now over here you will have to click on add to Opera, then you need to click on add extension, and this way you will be able to easily download IDM integration module in your Opera browser. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.